Hello everyone. This video we are going to look for the recently announced for UGC net December 2024 notification. Okay, so what are the important dates and within which time you need to apply? These all detail we are going to look in this video. Okay, so let's see. Okay, the public notice has been announced by NTA UGC. Okay, so that is what the information has been provided over here. Totally they are conducting for 85 subjects, okay, and various category for junior research fellowship, assistant professor, as well as for PhD admission. Okay, so this has been started recently for the last June 2024 onwards. Okay, so that is a continuation of that. So what will be the age relaxation? Okay, how we can apply, and what about the eligibility criteria? Each and everything will come for a separate video. Okay, it will not cover for all those things. So separate video in a sense, those who are looking only for eligibility criteria in a sense, they can look for that respective video, right? So that's the purpose. It will not cover over here. Only for the date as well as timing will be covered under this video. So the submission of online application form will be 19th November to 10th December. Okay, so it has been started 19th November until 10th December. It will be there until 11:50 p.m. Okay, before that you need to apply. If it is crossed even for 1 minute in a sense, you could not unable to apply those things. And the last date for submission of examination fee, okay, through the credit card or debit card or net banking or through UPI in a sense, that will be 11th December 2024. Timing also they have been provided, that is 11:50 p.m. Everything they have given for 11:50 p.m. okay, and correction of the particular online application will be 12th December to 13th. That is a 1 day duration. That is 12 and 13 they have provided. Timing will be the same, 11:50 p.m. okay, an announcement of city exam center to be intimate later. So these two things, admit card as well as for exam center, will be intimate later. They not even provided for the date over here. And date of examination will be 1st January 2025 to 19 January, because they are conducting for 85 subjects. So that's the reason these are all the date has been given over here. Okay, and center, date and shift. What about the center? Because you need to give for 4 centers, right? Out of 4 center, which center they have been chosen in a sense, that will intimate through particular date. Okay, that date not been provided over here. Okay, so all the detail will be available in your admit card. And recorded response and answer key to be announced later on the website, because these things they mention in the notification itself, they will give you, right? They will keep it all the record information, and also they will announce for the later. And these two websites you can go through it for the detailed information, as well as this channel. If you are a subscriber in a sense, you will get it for the next video, whether it is available for negative marking, okay, how many questions, these all detail one by one it will come. Okay, as you are a new user, you can subscribe the channel and keep on watch. Okay, and for application fee they have been provided for unreserved candidate for 1,150, and for OBC candidate as well as general EWS, okay, economically weaker session, okay, that is what EWS, that is for 600 rupee, and for SC ST PWT will be 325, including for third center also. So this is what the fees they are charging. So through the online mode you need to go through for this application, you have to apply on it. If there is any queries available in a sense, you have to make a call to this number, or else you can write an email on it, they will respond to you. Okay, these are the two websites you need to go through for the detailed notification, and from this channel also it will come one by one. Okay, that will be helpful to you, because detailed notification is available for 101. Okay, so that's the reason in one video we are not going to cover on it. So from here, if you are looking in a sense, chapter 8, until chapter 8 they have given for different things. Okay, so all those things we will cover for a separate video. It will helpful to you. Okay, I think this information will be helpful for each and everyone. What are the important dates and all. Okay, if it is helpful, just you can give a like button and you can comment below. And if you're a new user, you can subscribe this channel and keep on watch. It will come for the next all the announcement detail and everything. Okay, thank you friends, thank you for watching this. Bye.